Hi guys, it's Liana here and I'm back again to share with you another styling video. It'll be Kylie Jenner inspired outfits. Hi guys, it's Liana and I'm back again to share with you another styling video. So in today's video, it will be inspired from Kylie Jenner's recent street style looks over the year of 2018, last year through to this year. And so I've kind of curated a whole bunch of like inspiration images that I found on Pinterest, and I am going to try my best to replicate them and see what they look like. I've tweaked a few of the outfits to kind of fit it to my kind of aesthetic, and actually clothes that I got from my mum's wardrobe and my dad's wardrobe.
So holla at mum and dad for having good wardrobe.
Crazy, I know. Yeah, so I was surprised myself and I kind of had to do some alterations and make it fit me accordingly. So I can't wait to show you guys. So let's dive right into it. So in the first outfit here, we've got Kylie Jenner wearing an open button men's shirt and a white boob tube, together with tracksuit pants and high ankle white socks and white sneakers. How I've replicated this outfit is that instead of using a boob tube, I've used a gym crop top together with dad's tracksuit pants, rolling it up at the ankles and completing it with an oversized white shirt which I bought from the op shop for $4. As for the shoes, I've matched it with white New Balance sneakers. So in this next outfit, we've got Kylie Jenner wearing a very accentuated puffer jacket and a black beanie and a black looking latex leather leggings and white sneakers again. And how I've replicated it in my outfit is that I've used black leather pants as well as a black turtleneck black puffer jacket. This puffer jacket was actually from my mum's wardrobe, and I've also completed the look with white New Balance sneakers, the same as the previous outfit. Alright, moving on to the third outfit, we have Kylie Jenner wearing a black tank top crop top together with black bike shorts and again white sneakers and white ankle socks, and finished off with a black wind cheater jacket. How I've replicated this outfit was that instead of wearing it with a black crop top, I've worn it with a white crop top instead. And as for the bike shorts, I purchased these shorts from Savers recently for $4, matching it with a black wind cheater jacket, 3/4 sleeves. To finish off the outfit, I've got an old vintage Reebok shoes, which I actually pinched from my mum.
Thank you, Mom.
And that is the third outfit done. Alrighty, moving on to our fourth outfit. We have a outfit which was found on Kylie's Instagram, and it is a suit jacket in a light pink with a Chanel bum bag around her waist, and again bike shorts and silver flashy sneakers, and again rolled up socks at her ankle. So how I've replicated this outfit was that I used a beige cream leather jacket which I already had given to me from my auntie, and I've cinched it in with a bum bag around my waist which was actually taken from my mom's wardrobe, and this has been layered on top of the previous outfit. Everything is the same except for the jacket and the bum bag which I have put on top. In the last outfit, Kylie Jenner is wearing a leather, almost floor-length leather jacket. And in my scenario here, I don't actually own a leather jacket. As much as I want to own one, it is almost impossible to find one that is similar to the one that Kylie has at an op shop. So I've just matched it with a wool floor-length kind of jacket and cropped jeans and a black turtleneck, as well as the white sneakers. And so these are the final looks for my Kylie Jenner inspired outfits. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it. It was a great and fun street style look, and I personally feel like I would wear some of the outfits. Some of the outfits maybe not, but it was still a fun process to kind of see how everything's been put together and see how they look like in real life. Because sometimes when you visualize things and you see it, it's hard to imagine whether you can pull it off or not pull it off. But in these looks here, it was great to see whether I could pull it off or not. And some floats my boat, some doesn't. Anyways, if you guys want to see more of my styling videos or see more of my DIYs, click the subscribe button, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. To kind of copycat Kylie's blonde face, begin with, I don't have any of my hair accessories, which I normally have at home, so I am just going to wing this. And yeah, I hope you guys don't judge me too hard. I'm just thinking if I tie it in a bun and then kind of pop this right on top. Let's have a look. I kind of want to create like a wispy kind of look to it, like the hair isn't perfectly, wow, okay, that looks absurd. Really does not suit me. It literally does not suit me.